Hi all, this is Mosmi, your Python trainer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, we are going to talk about list data type. So let's begin. In my previous episode, I have talked about numbers data types and string data types. If you haven't seen those videos, please go back to my YouTube channel and please watch those videos. In today's episode, we are going to talk about list. So let's see what we are going to talk. It's what is a list, how to create a list, how to access each element of a list, and let's see whether lists are mutable or immutable. So basically, what is a list? When you want to store more than one value at a time in a one variable, you can do it with the help of list. List is an ordered sequence of elements where each element occupies contiguous memory. In my string episode, I had explained that string is an array of characters. Same way you can compare list with array, where you are storing elements which occupies sequential memory. In array, you have to have same data type of each element, whereas in list, you can have different type of data in the same list. You can have integers, float, Boolean values, list itself, tuple, dictionary, set, anything inside the list. So basically list is very flexible and that's why it is the most used data type in Python. Also, creating list is very simple. You just need to provide values which are separated by comma and they are enclosed within square bracket and it will create a list. Let's see how you can create a list in different way in Python. Let's see on idle how to create a list. I'm creating a list, say L, and I'm assigning some values to it. You have to put square brackets. Inside that, you can provide the values. These values can be of any type. Say I'm providing different values, integer, float, Boolean, and string. And here, my list is created. If I check the type of my variable L, it is class list. If I print my variable L, it will show you the list. L is equal to blank square brackets. It will create an empty list. Again, you can check the type of your L variable and it is class list. Also, you can use list method to create a list. Say L is equal to list. Inside that, you have to give a sequence or an iterable. Say I'm giving string Python. So each character will be taken as the value of the list. Now I'm printing the list and it is showing the elements Python. So when you are using list method, you have to have pass either string, tuple, or list or set, but you cannot pass any integer value because it's not an iterable. You cannot iterate through each value of that data type. Correct? So you cannot create list from the integer value. So this is how you can create a list using different methods. Also, you can create a nested list. How? Let's see. Say L is equal to, I'm providing some values, say 1, 2, 3, and a list, say 4, 5, 6. So it's a list within list, which is called nested list. Again, you can check the type of L, which is list, and you can print your list where you can see 3 integer values and 1 list value. Okay, we'll see now how to access list elements. It is same like how we had accessed each element of string. You can access each element of list in the same way. You have to use positive or a negative index. You just need to pass that index in the square bracket with the list name and it will return you the value. Also, in list, index starts with 0. Same like it starts with 0 in string also. Let's see. Say I have my list where these are the values. When I say L0, it will return me 1. When I say L1, it will return me value 2. When I say L2, it will return me the value 3. Now, if you say L3, that is the another list, it will return me that another list. Okay, I want to again access these values. Say L, then the index of that inner list is 3 and the index of value 4 is 0. So if I write L30, it will return me the value 4 and so on. I'm creating another list, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm using negative index to access the value. If I say L index -1, it will return me the last value, which is 4. If I say L -2, it will return me the value 3. So basically negative index used to access elements from the end. Now let's see list are mutable, immutable. Yes, list are mutable. Means the elements of the list can be changed in the same place at the same memory location without recreating the entire list, which is not possible in the string. Strings are immutable. Say L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to change the value of first element. Before changing the value, we will see the ID of list. So this is the memory location where your list is stored. Now I'm changing one of the value in my list. Say L0 is equal to 11. Now your list has the value 11, 2, 3, 4. Let's see the ID of list. So you can see the memory location is same. So lists are mutable. Changes are happening at the same memory location. So that's all for today. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next episode.